Hi, Dr. Brill here. Let's talk about matching prices. I'll just tell you right now, I don't do it. And we're talking really about contact lenses. I know there's colleagues that say we match prices. And what they mean is bring in the lowest possible price from 1-800 or whatever it is, or some on the street vendor for contact lenses and used ones. I don't even know. But they match everyone's price. So I think it's demeaning to our offices when people ask us to match a price. Yes, you could say there's a merchant quality to our handling contact lenses in our office, but I think the professionalism that we have, really, you should determine what your fair price is. And of course, there's insurance benefits, there's other rebates and discounts from manufacturers. But when you are offering your contact lenses, you have to decide, does this fit the policy and the philosophy of my office? So when you open up the door for matching prices, you're opening up the door for let's make a deal in my office. So my recommendation is do what you feel is comfortable, but for me, I don't match prices. All right, so let's talk about patient perceptions. So first of all, if you have a fairly decent looking office, the perception is that the doctor will always be more expensive. And even if you are at the rock bottom price, even if you're beating the rock bottom price, if the perception is the doctor will be always more expensive. All right, so let's say you decide I'm going to lose money on everybody because I want to match the price from a vendor who gets them at a lot cheaper than you do because they're buying 3 train loads full. Okay, so did that help you at all? Did that help you retain that patient? Probably not. And if you're losing money on everybody, it's probably not going to retain that patient. So now let's talk about the other perception, is that a lot of patients like buying things single source, right from the doctor, the most trusted source. The least risk, best choice for them is to get them from the doctor. Only one place to go, and I like that. I like them to have one place to go. The other thing is, a lot of people go to the highest price place. You know, the best surgeons in town, the best of any discipline in terms of the most probably prestigious office, they're always the highest price, and I would guess they're always the busiest. So let's think about these things when we're pricing our materials and our services, and you have to decide where you feel comfortable. I feel comfortable providing more for more. And that's it for today. Hope you can decide and comment below.